Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021. Like the United States, Bangladesh has signed trade and investment agreements with Australia.
Feed industry is going through a very bad time owing to the pandemic. Many feed mills are now struggling to run their businesses.
Caption News on a world star is born from Turkey.
Global Aquaculture Alliance has partnered with the Bangladesh Shrimp and Fish Foundation.
Bangladesh's agricultural products are going to 144 countries of the world.
BSM receives first full market authorizations for methane-reducing feed additive bova, a registered trademark for beef and dairy in Brazil and Chile.
CEC 2021, celebrating 50 years of elevating your business.
Members are telling us that many have been forced to cut back weekly chicken production by 5 to 10%.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2021, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Space 2021. Exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
Mill Tech is Tanpul, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.